Hello, everybody. Hope you guys have a very lovely and sweet day today. Right now, we're heading towards home, sweet home. Right now, we're passing by Pearson International Airport, and Dia is with me. So look at those crews, they just landed, I think so. On that day, there was a lot of people on the airport who are looking for the Porter Airline gate. And we also need to drop off our vehicle because we picked up the vehicle from the airport and the deal was to drop off on the airport as well. So finally, we found out the Porter Airline gate on my right side in front of that shuttle bus. There was a lot of people flying on that day. It is actually 10 o'clock in the morning and a lot of people are rushed to catch up their flight.
Here is the portal.
Yeah. So I took out my luggage, now heading towards the Porter Airline counter. There wasn't many people on the counter, so it was a quick turnaround with the Porter Airlines, and then after that we took the shuttle.
Yeah, it was the awesome ride, baby.
And one of the funniest as well, right? So enjoyed that ride a lot, guys. So it's passed through all the those tuck shops. A lot of people are waiting for their flight. We're still heading towards our Porter terminal. We passed by some tuck shop. You can see Booster Juice and Tim Horton as well. I love Tim Hortons. This is the Canadian culture, I'll say. And I found that ATM as well. If somebody is short of cash, they can use it. And here we go, the washroom. Oh, the washroom was really tight and clean on that day. Those are the aeroplanes on their hangar. And look at those. That aeroplane is just coming in and they put the hanger on it. The flight back to the Calgary was very good. On that day, it was a cloudy day, and we get on board on time. Now pilot is preparing his airplane to take off, and the takeoff was really smooth. And I'll say goodbye, Toronto. Thanks for having us. Takeoff was really smooth. Pilot seemed to be pretty much expert. Once again, goodbye, Toronto. Board, we got black tea and some ginger ale as well. Flight is going smooth. We thought let's buy the lunch on the board. We bought this beautiful lunch that is salmon, carrot, mango, and sticky rice.
And sprinkle some sesame seed on the top.
Do you like it, Dia?
Oh, I really loved it. It was so refreshing. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was refreshing. Somebody want a real taste? This is the lunch for you guys, and they have the vegan option as well. This is the one of the best thing I found it in the flight. This is a milk chocolate cookie, and I love it. How about you, Dia?
Oh, I also really loved it.
Awesome! It was awesome. Thank you very much from my deep heart, guys, to appreciate this Vlog Ontario series, and especially thanks to all of those guys who drop off their comments and shows their love. We'll bring this kind of more vlogs for you. Please keep watching Enjoy Star Food, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Any final word, Dia?
Take care of yourself and your family as well, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.